right thumb there. Step 3. Now quickly flip the right hand page back and forth until the pictures appear to be animated. Okay, so let's try this. Left hand here, right thumb right here. Where does it end? Right. So, say guys, I'm trying to do the flipper llama thing, but it's not going out so well. Yeah, okay. So just keep doing this, and then ready, go. Okay, ready. Okay, I'll just do. Oh, I'm going backwards. So you can comment down below and tell me which book you want me to read next. Yeah, this is very young. I hope this ends. Finally, Chapter 9. The Mini Machine! What? The Mini Machine. The Jurassic Jackrabbits have been defeated. The General Jackrabbit was malnourished. He just slapped the Jurassic Jackrabbits with another blast from his Mini Machine. The Jurassic Jackrabbits grew bigger than before and much meaner. The Jurassic Jackrabbits grabbed Ricky Ricky caught his mighty robot and their terrible paws and began laughing and growling. I got to save my robot, cried Ricky. He climbed onto the roof of his swing, rang the doorbell. Ding dong. Two robo rabbits opened. No mice allowed, said the robo rabbit. Jackrabbits only. Then he slammed the door in Ricky's face. Jackrabbits only. Hey, I got an idea. I will need everybody's help, said the people, especially Lucy's. Ricky's family climbed onto the roof of the museum. Then Ricky's mother opened her purse. She took of two sticks of gum and a pair of white wool mittens, and an old white scarf. Ricky, Ricky's family began dressing up Lucy. The gum made great bunny teeth, and the scarf made excellent bunny ears. Ricky sewed the mittens together to make a fluffy bunny tail. The last thing we needed is, Ricky said, is Dad's, said Ricky, is Dad's sweater. Finally, Lucy climbed into Ricky's shoulders. Now be careful, you two, said Ricky's father. Don't worry, said, said Ricky. The good guys always win. Ricky and Lucy to the rescue. Ricky and Lucy went to the rocket ship and rang the doorbell again. Rang the doorbell again. Ding dong. The two robo rabbits opened the door. It's time. This time they saw a beautiful girl rabbit. I'm in love, said the first robo rabbit. Ooh la la, said the second robo rabbit. Hubba hubba. They took Lucy and Ricky in to the big rocket ship and sat them down to a big table. I'm hungry, said Lucy. May I have some cake and cookies and muffins and cupcakes and bagels and waffles and what? Wait, this is what she said. I'm hungry, said Lucy. May I have some cake and pie and cookies and muffins and cupcakes and bagels and waffles and donuts? Yes, 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 said the Robo Rabbit. They ran off to start biking. Let me read that one more time. Look, she ordered for so many things. I'm hungry, said Lucy. May I have some ready cake and pie, cookies and muffins and cupcakes and bagels and waffles and donuts? Yes, 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 said the little rabbits, and they ran off to start baking. Oh my gosh, you're really gonna eat all that? Look, no. Seriously. Now my chance to look around. Look around, said Ricky. She crawled out from under the table and sneaked upstairs. Upstairs, Ricky saw Johnny. Oh, chapter 11. Upstairs. Upstairs, Ricky saw General Jack Rabbit. Jack Rabbit with his horrible music. Now I want you to destroy the mighty rope. General Jack Rabbit stopped suddenly and sniffed the air. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He, he shouted General Jack Rabbit. Hey! Shouted General Jack Rabbit. Somebody baking carrot pie. What are those silly robo-rabbits up to now? General Jack Rabbit marched downstairs to see what the problem was. As soon as he was gone, Ricky ran into the mini machine and studied the complex controls. Ricky turned the dial from big, ugly, and evil all the way to little, cute, and sweet. Then they pointed the mini machine at the Jurassic Jackrabbits. Chapter 12. Sat. Downstairs, General Jackrabbit was, was yelling at his rabbits when he heard a loud zap. What's going on up there? He cried. He cried. I'll get you for this, screamed General Jackrabbit. He grabbed Ricky by his arm and would not let go. I wonder what he was gonna do, but suddenly Lucy appeared at the top of the stairs with a fresh carrot pie. You said Lucy. General Jack would turned around and splat. The day is saved. Ricky recovered his mighty robot jumped to the rocket ship to save Ricky and Lucy. Now we got to make things right again, said Ricky. First, Ricky put the dinosaur schools back where they belong. Sort of. Look. What did they do to these poor dinosaur skeletons? Look! The pterodactyl head is on the T-Rex. The T-Rex head is on the Tyrannosaurus. The T-Rex head is on the I don't know. The T-Rex head is on the Triceratops, and the Triceratops head is on the pterodactyl. That's not how it goes. Then Ricky carefully closed the ship with one mighty Carefully closed the rocket ship with one mighty toss, set the ship sailing safely back to Jupiter. "Bye, Robo Rabbits," cried Lucy. Wait, they cried. Finally, it was off to jail for General Jackrabbit. This has been the worst day ever for General Jackrabbit. Soon Ricky and his family got home. It was time for pizza and a birthday cake. "I sure love the cute little Jurassic Jackrabbit," said Lucy. "But you should keep this," said Ricky. "Now you have little friends of your own," really asked Lucy. "You sure you don't want them?" "I don't need them," said Ricky. "I already have the biggest friend in town." Finally, Ricky blew out the candles to escape. "You know," said Ricky, "this is the best day ever." "Thank you for being so brave today," said Ricky's parents. "No, and thank you for sharing," said Lucy. "No problem," said Ricky. "That's what friends are for." Look what! He's gonna eat the fork! If that pan gets in the smell, oh my god. Oh, he is a robot that brushes his teeth and eats cake. Here. And these are the other books you can get from Ricky Ricardo's Mighty Robot. These are the other books. Yeah. These books were made by Dave Pickley and Dan Santos. And this was from the creators of Captain Underpants and the movie called Captain Underpants and the movie called Sidekicks. I never watched Captain Underpants or Sidekicks, but if you guys have, tell me what it's about and I'll try to watch it. See you guys later. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment me in the comments down below. If I can get let's see. If I can get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll start a gaming channel next week. Bye.